In2tools is the first DIY value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Sealey heat gun. Links are in the description below. Let's get into today's video. It is fitted with variable electronic temperature control and LCD temperature display. It is suitable for paint stripping, soft soldering, removing sticky labels and defrosting frozen pipes. It is double insulated and fitted with 3-pin plug. Also, it's supplied with 4 nozzles, stripper, scraper handle, 3 scraper blades, all in a storage case. The specifications include the following. The airflow is 480 liters per minute. The contents include a hot air gun, 4 nozzles, stripper, scraper handle and 3 scraper blades. It has a motor power of 2000 watts. The power supply is 230 volts. The temperature range is 80 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. The applications are paint stripping, soldering and thawing. The product weighs 2.3 kilograms. Founded in 1978, Sealey is known internationally as a leading brand of professional tools and workshop equipment. The Sealey range of tools and equipment is designed very much with the professional user in mind. Sealey's core brands include Segan, Sealey and Premier, representing good, better and best respectively. Whichever level you choose, quality assurance is always guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on In2tools.